Do you know the fastest way to learn Hangul? If you don't, please subscribe to 한국어 알아. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 한국어 알아의 아라쌤입니다. Hello, everyone. I'm Arah from Korean Arah. This is lesson 3 of Hangul. It is good for beginners to learn Korean alphabet Hangul fast. The Korean alphabet is called Hangul. Hangul consists of 19 consonants and 21 vowels. In previous lessons, you already learned 14 basic consonants. If you missed them, please check the description below. In this lesson, I'll teach you 6 vowels and the very important writing system of vowels in Korean. Try the quiz at the end of the lesson to check what you learned. Are you ready? Let's go! In Korean, each consonant has a name like 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, and so on. However, Korean vowels don't have a name. So, you only need to remember what they sound like. The 6 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, you will learn today sound similar to English vowels. This vowel is a. The romanized letter for a is a. A sounds like the letter A in the word garden. A. This vowel is e. The romanized letter for e is e. E sounds like the letter E in the word get. E. This vowel is e. The romanized letter for e is AE. E sounds like the letter E in the word get. E and A look different, but they sound the same. E. This vowel is E. The romanized letter for E is I. E sounds like the letter I in the word give. E. This vowel is O. The romanized letter for O is O. O sounds like the letter O in the word go. O. This vowel is U. The romanized letter for U is U. U sounds like the letter OO in the word good. U. Now, I'll show you how to write 6 vowels. When you write any Korean letter or character, you should go from left to right and top to bottom. Let me start with A. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Some people write it like this. No problem. A. 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Some people write it like this. No problem. A. 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Some people write it like this. Or, no problem. O. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Some people write it like this. U. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Some people write it like this. E. 1 stroke. 1. Some people write it like this. When you write Korean vowels, you should remember 2 things. First, vowels cannot be written by themselves in a word. In a syllable block, they should always be at least 2 letters. One letter has to be a consonant, which comes first, and the other has to be a vowel, which comes next. For example, 가, 나, 다, 라. If a word begins a vowel sound, you must add 이응 before the vowel. In this case, 이응 is silent. For example, to write the word E, which means tooth or number 2, you must first write the silent consonant 이응 before the vowel. E. Second, vowels can only be located to the right of the consonant or under the consonant. For example, A, E, E are vertical vowels, so they are located to the right of the consonant like this. And O, U are horizontal vowels, so they are located under the consonant like this. If you see the word, please pause the video and try to say it by yourself and check the answer. Ready? E, E. E, E. O, O. A, E, A, E, A, E. U, E, U, E, U, E. E, 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 E. O, E, O, E, O, E. How was the lesson today? I hope you found it helpful. If you want to see more lessons about Hangul, please subscribe. 그럼 공부 열심히 하세요. Please study hard. 다음 시간에 만나요. See you next time. 안녕히 계세요.